Welcome to 22325 Collington Drive. If you've been looking for a single-story pool home in West Boca, you're going to want to see this one.
It's the right time. So if you with it, okay, I'm with it too. So with the dilly, grab the willy, I'm on 10 and 2. I see him peeking through the window, but it's 10 and 2. It's looking up, it's looking right, okay, now what a view. Hey, sunrise just in time. Right on time. It's looking up, it's just right. I'm feeling good. Sunrise just in time. It's all right.
The backyard is what really sets this property apart. Between the marble pavers, the pool and spa, and the beautiful lake views, this is what South Florida living is all about.
Hey, and we keep them coming back for more. Yeah, hey, this that moment they've been waiting for. I got that feeling that you can't ignore. Jump on in, come on all aboard, going over shores. Let it shine, let it glow, let it radiate. On the rise, on my neck, it's a daisy chain, it's a vibe. What a time to be alive. Now go ahead and put your eyes up to the sky. Let it shine. Sunrise just in time. It's looking up. It's just right. I'm feeling just right. Sunrise it's gonna shine. We on it. We're moving up. We right up. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sunrise just in time. We going. It's looking up. It's just right. It's feeling right. Sunrise all night. In time. Every day. All the time.
Located in Boca Winds, this community continues to be a favorite amongst families due to the strong A-rated schools nearby, the low HOA fees, and the value compared to other Boca Raton neighborhoods.
Let it shine on me. Let it shine all the time. Now we feeling just right. Let it shine on me. Let it shine.
I'm AJ Bergman, broker and owner of Bergman Realty Group and your local West Boca expert. If you're thinking about buying, selling, or simply just want to learn more about West Boca Raton and living here in the area, give us a follow and continue to see how we show off all the amazing parts about living in West Boca.